Honestly, this mask is getting a little hot. Hi. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up. I think I'm about to go take a shower, but before I do that, I'm gonna put on the Ordinary AHA BHA serum, I guess. I like to put it on before I shower, leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off because I think it's just a lot easier that way. So I'm about to do that right now. That can only be used once a week, but like during the week, every day, I use this oil that's supposed to help with like inflammation and like skin healing, so it helps like heal the dark marks. And I have seen a difference with this treatment. It's just more natural, and anything that's more natural will take a little bit longer, but it does work. So that's why I'm using this together with it to kind of like help get rid of it. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I have steatocystoma multiplex. It's always hard to say that word, but if you watch Dr. Pimple Popper, you probably know what that is. So I've had some of the cysts removed, but like they left marks, so I've been trying to like get rid of these marks. Anyway, I'm going to take a shower, then I'm going to go to Target or CVS to try and find these 2 vitamins for my grandma. I just need to hurry up and do everything, and then I think when I get back I'm gonna organize my side of the bathroom. So that should be fun. JK, it's not fun. I actually hate organizing, but it really needs to get done. So I just got a package from Nordstrom Rack that I'm pretty excited about. I ordered a bunch of like bras and like sports bras. I have like 10 more stuff like coming next Tuesday in one box. I don't know why they are sending it in like so many packages, and I've never actually owned like a water bottle like this, so I'm excited to have that. And then I got a bunch of sets from Women's Best. So I got this lilac set and this nude set from the Power collection, and then I got this pink set from the Move collection. But the first time they sent it to me, it came with a hole in the leggings, which is like really annoying, but customer service was really great. They sent me a gift card to buy a new pair that covered shipping and everything. So now I have my new pair, but I don't really know what to do with this. I mean, I guess I can cut it into shorts, or I can just wear them around the house, or maybe patch it up, but I have no idea how to sew, so I don't think I'm gonna patch it up. I love the way my little water bottle just like matches everything now. I've never had a gym water bottle, so this is really exciting. So this is what I'm wearing for today. Nothing too interesting or crazy. Both of these items are actually from Forever 21. I think I'm just gonna wear my Uggs today because it's pretty cold. I'm going to check Rite Aid before I go to Target to see if they have the pills that my grandma wants, and I'm just gonna drop it off to her. Hopefully I don't infect her with anything. I mean, I don't have corona, but still. I wear my mask to every public store that I go to just in case anybody coughs or sneezes or anything like that. I don't care if people stare. I'm not catching corona. I need a car wash. Look how dirty my car is. So I'm leaving Rite Aid and I didn't find what I needed. Well, I did. I just wasn't gonna pay like $20 for it. And this guy, like when I walk in, screams like, everybody's wearing a mask. Yeah, everybody's wearing a mask. Like, the corona's out here. No one's trying to catch the corona. He was like old, so he should have been wearing a mask. Honestly, this mask is getting a little hot. I think I'm gonna take it off while I drive and put it back on when I get to Target. Good news, I was able to find the calcium, zinc, and magnesium pill at Walmart for $5. It was like $14 or $15 at like CVS and like Walgreens, which is crazy. I'm not paying that much when I could pay $5 somewhere else. So I'm about to head over there now.
Alright,
thank you. I'm coming. Hey. Not in public, fell with my line. Hi. Hi, Benji. So I just got home. The day honestly just felt so long today and it's not even over. I still have a ton of things I need to do. I'm just so tired. I want to take a nap. Ugh. I think it's like the stress of just like being out and hoping that you just don't catch anything. I know like if I do catch it, I won't die, but I could give it to somebody who will, which is like a lot of pressure, and I just, I would, yeah. So I think that's what scares me the most. I mean, I don't go out anyway. I stay home. The only time I go out is to like get food or just like go to Target for like little things that I need. My lashes look so bad. Oh my gosh. I am gonna organize my bathroom, so I'm gonna see you there. This is my side of the bathroom, so this is like the only thing that I'm going to organize. I have like all this bleach stuff because I was like bleaching stuff out here. Look at all this. It's just like, why? And this is just like a bunch of stuff that I don't even use, or well, I do use, but I just need to organize. Like I have like hair stuff in here, different like body stuff. Starting with dish drawer, I should probably wash these. I like to use reusable cotton swabs, and when I use it, I just like throw it in here, and I keep the new ones in here so I don't mix them up. So I like to wash them all together, so I think I'm just gonna have to keep these in here until like this is empty, so then I could put this, I mean I could always put it in here, but I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna leave these in here until I'm ready to wash them all together. I'm done with the top drawer. I have my ice roller, my face mask tool. I use this to clean my eyelashes, eyelash brush, eyebrow stuff, though I don't even do my eyebrows, but the only thing I really do is shave like my little mustache hairs, and I pluck like little flyaways from my eyebrows, but I don't really do them. So I'm gonna move on to this drawer. So this one actually has like a couple of little organizing things in here. So hopefully that should make things easier. My moisturizer and my eye creams over here, and then all of these are masks, more masks here, masks, this laser thing, some cotton swabs because I use this for my treatments. I don't like using the reusable ones for my treatments. And yeah, and then I just have coconut oil in these because my grandma gave them to me in these little bottles, and Halo Beauty pills, which I don't really take anymore, but I have them back there. Yeah, so moving on to this drawer. This drawer just has a lot of boxes and stuff. Like, I don't need this. I use this like every day. So yeah, I was trying to use this to lighten up my underarms. It never worked. Maybe I didn't use it long enough. I used it for like a week and then I gave up. So if you guys have any remedies for lightening up your underarms, definitely let me know. Alright, so here's a quick overview. This is the first drawer. And then the second, I added more face masks, hand masks, a lip mask, basically all my masks. Another moisturizer, toner, just like sunscreen, just all that stuff is in here. I really need like dividers and organizers to help them stay like straight, because if I push the drawers too hard, they like move around. And lastly, this drawer is a lot more organized than before. So here I just have like a bunch of wig caps and stuff, lotions. I have my other lotion in my room, just like a bunch of samples. This is like an empty container, but I like to repurpose containers. So yeah, this is for my steamer. Again, I like to repurpose, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this yet. If I don't find a use for this soon, I'm just gonna throw it out. And yeah, my Mederma, my scar stuff, like all that stuff. So it's definitely a lot more organized than before. So I'm really happy with everything. So yeah. I really should tackle my cabinet, but I honestly don't feel like it. You know what, while I'm here, I might as well just do that. So I just reorganized my cabinet. Definitely not perfect, but it is better than before. So up here I have like prescription stuff and like my waxing stuff. And then here I just have like all my cleansers, treatment, more like cleansing stuff, toner. And then here I have serums, eye cream. Inside of here is like a Kylie eye cream, moisturizer, all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm super tired, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs from me. I really like doing them, but like obviously if you guys rather see something else, then I will do it for you guys. As you can see, it's dark outside now. It's 7:32, so yeah, I'm just gonna chill, eat, watch YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sidebar, I changed my mind. I decided to finish watching the Hannah Montana movie. I started it the other day and I never got a chance to finish it, so I'm gonna do that again. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.